Samsung has just unpacked the Galaxy S23 series, and it's time to apply all of that brilliance to the year's trendiest folding phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. To begin, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be available in 3 color options: beige, black, and light blue, according to display expert Ross Young. According to him, there will also be certain custom colors, such as the Samsung unique color selections available exclusively on the Samsung website. The beige, light green, and light pink Galaxy Z Flip 5 colors were also shown. Samsung will adopt a new hinge design that is similar to the one used in the Oppo Find N2, but Samsung will also include an IPX rating for water resistance, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be flat folded as a result of this new hinge design. So it's possible that we'll see some form of dust protection on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and if it does, it'll be incredible. Also, with this new hinge design, the Z Fold 5 will be lighter and thinner than the Z Fold 4. Because the new hinge is lighter, the Z Fold 5 will be 9 grams lighter than the Z Fold 4 at 254 grams. It will also make the phone almost 3 mm thinner around the hinge region, which is a significant change. The most noticeable difference is that the display now folds in an oval form when closed, which will enhance the S Pen writing experience. Nevertheless, the cover screen size and inner screen size will stay same. Samsung is now experimenting with a new touch fold technique for folding screens, which is intriguing. Whether or not this will erase the crease on the display remains to be seen. Moving on, we have a leaked benchmark for the Z Fold 5, which is producing some really nice results on Geekbench 6. When compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has a single local score of 1578 and then a multiple score of 5081, we obtain a single score of 2030 and then a multiple score of 5213. These are very amazing advances. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will keep the same camera as the Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy S23, the 50-megapixel ISO Cell GN5, but due to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, we will witness genuine 8K 30fps video for the first time on the Fold 5. Samsung may also upgrade the ultra-wide-angle lens on both the Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 to support 4K 60fps recording. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.